road header. Keep it up. Let's fuel the road header. Press the pump. Keep it up. Let's make a tunnel in the rock to shorten the way to the town. Let's wash the road header. That's all. Let's assemble the track laying machine. Hooray! Let's load the details for rails onto the track laying machine. Amazing! Let's lay the rails in the tunnel. We need to fix a crack on the track laying machine. Hooray! And now let's grind the seam. You're doing really great. Choose the same color as in the cloud. We did it! We need to assemble a mounting rail car. That's all. And now we need to fuel the mounting rail car. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Let's arrange lighting in the tunnel. Let's wash the mounting rail car. Ready. Let's assemble the minecart. Keep up the good work. And now let's load paints and the railway signal into the minecart. We did it! Let's install a railway signal and paint the entrance to the tunnel. Let's wash the minecart. Keep it up. Let's assemble a crushing roller. Amazing! And now we need to fuel the crushing roller. Pump. Don't stop. Let's crush large rocks for the construction site. We need to wash the crushing roller. Ready. We need to assemble the excavator. Keep it up. Let's fuel the excavator. Press the pump. Hooray! Let's prepare a foundation pit. Let's weld a crack on the excavator. Done! And now let's grind the seam. That's all. Look at the cloud and choose this. Hooray! We need to assemble the crane with cargo bed. Amazing! And now let's load concrete blocks for the foundation. We did it! Let's lay the base for the foundation of the station. Let's wash the crane with cargo bed. You're doing really great. We need to assemble the open wagon. You're doing really great. And now let's load the bricks for the station building into the open wagon. Done! Now let's build a station building. Let's weld a crack on the open wagon. That's all. And now let's grind the seam. Keep it up. Look at the cloud and choose keep up the good work. Let's assemble the crane. Keep it up. And now we need to fuel the crane. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. The station building needs a roof. Let's install it. Let's wash the crane. Keep up the good work. Let's assemble the bucket lift. Done! And now we need to fuel the bucket lift. Pump. Don't stop. Let's paint the station building. We need to fix a crack on the bucket lift. Keep it up. Let's grind the welding seam. Hooray! Look at the cloud and choose the same color. Keep up the good work. We need to assemble the glass transporting car. Amazing! And now let's load the stained glass windows and doors for the state. Ready. Let's install windows and doors. Let's wash the glass transporting car. That's all. Let's assemble a motor car. Don't stop. And now we need to fuel the motor. Press the pump. Hooray! Let's decorate the territory of the station together. We need to fix a crack on the motor car. You're doing really great. And now let's grind the... Keep up the good work. Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint. Amazing! Let's assemble the locomotive. That's all. Let's fuel the locomotive. Pump. Done! Let's apply the railroad logo on the locomotive. We need to wash the locomotive. Keep up the good work. Let's assemble a sleeping car. Hooray! Let's load the interior objects into the sleeping car. Don't stop. We need luggage to travel comfortably. We need to wash the sleeping car. ready. First, let's assemble the train. Go on. Keep up the good work. Now passengers can travel in comfort. Thanks to the tunnel, it will take less time to get to the town.